Hello, it's me, Kat, and I'm here today with a gift for you, and this is our Friday Patreon video. It is a video from one of our well over 600 videos that we have. I just take one from the back and send it out here for you to enjoy. It will still be relevant, of course. All the videos are relevant, and if you decide that you want to receive one every day, 5 days a week, all year long, then come sign up. Go to patreon.com and sign up. You have 3 tiers to choose from. The first one is $5 a month, and that gives you a video every single day, except Saturday and Sunday, but every single weekday, Monday through Friday, a fresh new one. If you go to the second tier, which is $25, that's a mentoring from me once a month, personally helping you through our system, and you get the videos, so that's pretty cool. And then the third video, the highest tier that I have right now, is $50 a month. And that's for those of you who are looking for a little bit more. You want 2 personal mentorings a month of 25 minutes, and then you want to be able to access the videos. So these are the 3 tiers in Patreon for you. I hope you enjoy this video, and I hope to see you soon on Patreon. Hello, patrons. Today we have a video that was suggested during one of my lives from Belinda Needham called Not Trying to Catch Up. And it is very important, and people do it all the time, including me. So let's talk about it, and let's see how we can control this area of our lives to give us more peace and make us finally love ourselves. Okay, so here's what we're going to do. We are working along and things are fine, and we all of a sudden have a snafu. Something happens, something comes up, it's not in our plan. We run off in 50 directions. When we come back, we say, oh no, I didn't do X, Y, Z. I'll need to catch up tomorrow. It's too late tonight, or I need to catch up tonight. Here's what I want you to rethink. If you didn't do something that is not dependent on someone else, okay, so if like I'm making up right now, I'm catching up from yesterday, I didn't make a Patreon video for you, I'm making it today on Saturday, but you are dependent on that and you have paid me for that service, so I'm making you the 5th video of the week. That was a planned decision once my day started falling apart yesterday. But if it was something that wasn't, everything else wasn't contingent upon that. So let's say that it was the laundry and we had underwear and we had things to wear. I don't have to catch up on my laundry today if I missed it yesterday. I just do a load. Now on Saturday, I don't do loads. So let's talk about that real quick. What are the things that we do? What happens if we don't do them? So the first thing is our morning routine. Now, if you don't do your morning routine, and don't try to reinvent the wheel here, the morning routine is simple. It's get up, make your bed, wash your face, brush your teeth, put on your moisturizer, fix your hair, get your clothes on, put on a little makeup, put on a little jewelry, put your pajamas away, wipe out the sink, swish the toilet, empty the dishwasher, make yourself a cup of something to drink, or start breakfast. That is the morning routine. Don't throw in a million other things that aren't the morning routine, like saying the laundry is part of the morning routine, or getting the kids' teeth brushed is part of the morning routine. It's not part of your morning routine. The children's morning routine is separate from yours. Think of these things as separate things. Paper routine is separate from the morning routine. It is something you do in the morning, and it is a routine, but it's not part of the morning routine. So you didn't do your morning routine. Now it's time to get the children up. Well, you can't catch up. You have to get the children up. So you go get the children up, you put them through their morning routine, you throw something on, and you take them to the school or wherever. All right, when you come back, this is one that you can catch up. You can make your bed, brush your teeth, wash your face, all the things that I just said. You can do those things. In fact, I encourage you to do those things in the morning, the very first thing. So if the very first thing is after you got the kids to school because you flubbed up, you slept through, whatever, that's all right. The next thing is the laundry. Let's say that you had to stay out. You got your morning routine done, you were dressed, you got the kids up, you took them to school, and there was some kind of an emergency, and you couldn't do your laundry or your paper or your zone, because after laundry and paper comes zone and then basic weekly plan. So let's say it was a Monday, and let's say it was this week, which is the living room. So you didn't do your laundry, you didn't do your paper, you didn't do the living room, and you didn't get your basic weekly home blessing done. And when you got home, it was 2 o'clock in the afternoon, and you just had an hour before you had to pick the kids up. Or you maybe brought the kids home with you. It was one of those days. You can't go back and do the basic weekly plan. You can't do the weekly home blessing hour. You've got to make dinner now. It's 3, 4 o'clock. It's time to start prepping for dinner. And dinner should be served between 5 and 6, right? And that's the way it would be in my home. And so you can't do the basic weekly plan, the weekly home blessing hour. You can't do the zone. And you know what? It's not the end of the world. So you skip. So what? Next week you're going to do it again. And you won't have an emergency. Okay? That's my point. I don't want you to worry about it. I want you to wake up. I want you to do what's left. I want you to do the after dinner routine. I want you to have an evening with your family. I don't want you running around cleaning the house now. It's over. That time is past. I want you to spend time with the children, help them with their homework, spend time with your husband, enjoy your dinner, clean up after your meal. Maybe you didn't empty you did empty your dishwasher in this example, but if you didn't, you will have to empty it to fill it. And then go do your before bed routine with the children and your before bed routine with yourself, with all plans, all intents, all purpose of getting this thing done again tomorrow the way you intended. And tomorrow is your free day. And guess what? In this example, on Tuesday, your free day, I want you to take a free day. I don't want you to say, oh, I flubbed up yesterday, that'll be my free day. What kind of free day was that? You were running around all day. That's not a free day. A free day is a day for you. Listen, this is all about enjoying life. It is not about housework, and it will get done because these days come back around and around and around again and again and again, week after week, month after month, year after year. You're going to get it done. If you skipped a day, it's not the end of the world. Get your planner, though, and see what tomorrow has in it. So let's say in this example, it was Tuesday. It was your free day. It was the living room. So you only had a 2-layer cake. Your morning routines and the kids' morning routines, your laundry, your paper, and then you had the rest of the day to do things that you enjoyed, and then you had your after-dinner routine and your before-bed routine. And you're not going to go vacuum the house on your free day. I want you to do your nails, read a book, whatever it is that you're trying to pursue that really enhances who you are. Mopping the floors don't enhance who you are. Go do something you love. Then on Wednesday, it's going to be planning and desk day, and you're still in the living room. So you would get up, do your morning routine, take the kids to school. There's no emergencies. You come back, you finish. You go right into your zone, the living room, and then right into the planning and desk day. Get your bills planned, plan your groceries. Guess what? Before you know it, it's going to be Monday again, and you're not going to have an emergency, and you're going to do your weekly home blessing, and it's going to be just the same as it was the week before. You're not going to clean double hard. You're just going to do the places where people walk, the traffic patterns. You're just going to wipe the spots off the mirror. It's going to be simple. Okay, so that's an example, all right? That's an example, but if it is something that someone is dependent upon, so let's say that you said you were going to make cookies for whatever, some event at church, and you planned on making those cookies Saturday morning while the kids were getting ready, and you knew you could do it real quick and they would enjoy helping you, and something came up, your neighbor fell down, you had to take him to the hospital, whatever. People are depending on you, so you're going to have to make Family Fun Day out of making cookies in the afternoon, because someone is dependent on that. That was a promise that you made, okay? All right, I hope this helps you. I hope you have a fabulous day, and I want you to always remember that you are beautiful. So be beautiful.